Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you QLed versus UHD 4K difference. So QLed quantum light emitting diode is a display technology that uses quantum dots to enhance color and brightness. Quantum dots are microscopic molecules that emit their own light when illuminated. And brand QLed is a technology predominantly used by Samsung, but other brands like TCL and Hisense have also adopted it. And the benefits are QLed TV generally offer better brightness, enhanced color variance, wave vibrancy, and excellent HDR performance compared to standard LED TV. And the drawbacks is QLed TV, which still rely on backlighting, don't offer the same deep black and infinite contrast ratios as OLED TV offer. And the UHD ultra high definition 4K refers to the resolution of the TV. A 4K has a resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixels, which is 4 times the resolution of full HD. This means the picture is sharper and more detailed. Common feature is many modern TVs, including QLED and OLEDs, offer 4K resolutions. The key difference is QLED is about the display technology and how colors are produced, whereas UHD 4K refers to the resolution or how sharp and detailed the image is. A QLED TV can be 4K UHD, most are, but the term UHD 4K doesn't tell you anything about the underlying display technology, it just describes resolution. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.